guys, welcome back. So glad to have you. Today's another Christmas video. It's all about DIY gift ideas. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I love to have you join the family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today I have some super easy DIY gift ideas for those of you who want to just put together some DIY gifts that are very functional, usable, and totally cute. I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments which gift idea you like best, as well as which you may actually try. And if you didn't catch my previous video, I shared with you guys some DIY home decor ideas, so don't forget to check that one out. Let's get started. there you have it, guys. Those are some super easy DIY gift ideas. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me that thumbs up and share a comment below and let me know which is your favorite, which you may actually try, and also share with others who like DIY projects. If you missed out on my previous video where I shared some DIY home decor ideas, don't forget to watch that, and I'll see you guys in my next video.